Miss Supranational Philippines Midsummer Party Look. This look is Manila modern at its finest. Gown featured a deep plunging V neckline and open sides that frame the torso, held together by a halter strap. Bodice is smooth, minimal and architectural. Then comes the drama from the low waist. Waterfall of floor-length white fringe cascades down, swaying with every movement. Double high slit reveal miles of leg, turning each step into a statement. Hair is slicked back into a low ponytail. Accessories seal the theme. Oversized floral statement earrings and a cheek-structured box bag. Bag is quite the nod to Filipino craftsmanship. This look is luxe, effortless, and a little bit dangerous. The look is confident, curated, and dripping in tropical glamour. Very appropriate look for the midsummer party. Part 2 rating Miss Supranational 2026 official glam shots. I love the power stance, cool and commanding. Gown is giving bridal avant-garde. The feather bust and the beaded corset, 9.5. South Africa, this is giving crown chaser energy. He looks like an emerald enchantress. Deep green illusion, beaded applique, dramatic fringe sleeves. Thigh-high slit, this is a 9.8. Singapore looks polished and poised. I love the aqua blue beaded plunging sweetheart neckline. The dress is architectural and elegant, 9.5. De Leon, I love the soft shoulder, the fierce eyes, gives me quiet lioness energy. Look is giving Afro bridal. I love the pearl beading, 9.2. Benia giving hands on hips royalty. Looks ethereal but in command. I love the lilac illusion, the beaded bodice, and the dramatic cape sleeves, 9.3. Puerto Rico giving us that classic pageant power stance. This look is giving salsa meets couture. Hot pink silk, the crystal corset.
So inyong napanood mga kapolitika ang reaksyon nitong international pageant vlogger na si Dishi dito sa ating candidate sa Miss Supranational 2026 na si Katrina Ligado, na ngayon ay nakipaglaban dito sa Supranational sa bansang Poland. At very friendly rin itong si Katrina sa ibang mga candidate. At dito ay masasabi natin na mahigpit at mahirap ang laban ni Katrina, mo especially na marami rin ang mga magaganda na mga delegates dito sa Miss Supranational. So patuloy po nating suportahan si Katrina dito sa kanyang laban sa Poland. At kahapon isa pag-usapan po natin yung naging pahayag nitong si Osmil dito sa pambato ng Indonesia na si Agnes Rahajing, dahil nga talagang nasaktan ng mga Indonesian dito sa sinabi ni Osmil na hindi daw mananalo itong si Agnes na pambato ng Indonesia, dahil yung mga paborito ni Osmil mga kapolitika ay yung mga taga-European talaga ang gusto niya, at yung si Miss Venezuela at taga-Chile na ating nabanggit doon sa ating mga naunang video, yung top 5 ni Osmil. But I believe na wala namang impluensya itong si Osmil dito sa Miss Supranational. So hindi relevant mga kapolitika yung kanyang opinion at yung kanyang sinabi, at wala nga doon si Katrina sa kanyang top 5 daw dito sa beauty pageant na ito. So ngayon ay dahil ang mga Pilipino sinuportahan at kinampihan itong si Agnes Rahajing dito sa naging pahayag ni Osmil, ngayon ay sinuportahan rin in return ng mga Indonesians ang ating candidate dito sa Miss Supra na si Katrina Ligado, at in fact ay nagpaabot sila ng mga sweet messages at mga positive na mga comment dito kay Katrina sa kanyang laban. So kabaliktaran ito doon sa mga previous na mga labanan ng Pilipinas at Indonesia kung saan is nagbabardagulan dito sa social media. Ngayon ay medyo bati at maganda ang pakikitungo sa isa't isa dahil dito sa pahayag ni Osmil kay Agnes Rahajing na kinampihan naman ng mga Pilipino itong pambato ng Indonesia na kapwa rin natin Asian. Okay, so yun po ang latest ngayon dito kay Katrina Ligado, at ngayon ay meron pong pabutuhan itong picture, itong pinost ng Miss Supranational dito sa kailang page, kung saan ay makakuha ng points itong si Katrina at makakadagdag dito sa kanyang tsansa na mapapasama sa ranking ng Miss Supranational. So, sabi dito, somebody's country is about to go quiet. Make sure it isn't yours. Evening gown portrait challenge is open. So, ang comment is 1 point, like is 2 points, follow 3 points, save this post 4 points. Supra fan vote per votes is equivalent to 10 points. Comment with country you support plus the hashtags. Only correct comments, saves, and votes count. So magtatapos po ang kailang botohan dito sa July 25, 2026. Araw po yan ng Sabado dito sa bansang Poland. Look at how Indonesia support Katrina and how our queens support Agnes. Ang laking different when it comes to Filipino fans, diba? No wonders halos lahat ng countries kaaway ng Philippines. Hindi matatapos ang gulo kung walang magpakumbaba. Love, compassion, understanding is what we need to end this lifelong drama. I love Indonesian queens. I love Vietnamese and Thailand queens. As a pageant fans for a decade, all I wish everything is what's the best for Southeast Asian countries. A crown and a better placement for all ASEAN countries. So ito mga kapolitika ang message of support ng ating kababayan dito sa pambato ng Indonesia na si Agnes Rahajing. At so far yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update dito sa Miss Supranational 2026 at sa ating pambato of course na si Katrina Ligado. Ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa pagbibigay ng support ng mga Indonesian pageant supporters kay Katrina sa kanyang laban sa Miss Supranational? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Your involvement with GROW initiative under Project Pearls focuses on empowering women living in poverty. Can you share more about how this organization is making an impact and what inspired you to become part of it?
You know, Ivan, Project Pearls is helping the poorest of the poor here in Manila, which is Tondo. It is the part where the most vulnerable people live. And actually, I was able to bring Eduarda in Tondo. And she saw firsthand how the life there and how Project Pearls come in is that they help them as scholars. So they hone them first in their education. And where I come in is with their initiative GROW. I mentioned earlier, I have a beauty brand and we partnered with them by being able to give them sustainable livelihood, by being able to partner and manufacture candles with Project Pearls. And in this small way, we are able to give livelihood not just to the women of Tondo, but also to their families and to their kids as well. And this is such a powerful tool because being able to help the women, we are able to help the community and of course, the whole country as well.